Have I found the best GoPro bag going? Hero 9 or whatever GoPro you have, I think I found the best bag out there. I've been doing photography for many, many years now. I've been using Lowepro equipment for many, many years and Manfrotto tripods. The last couple of years I've just recently got into using action cams for my fishing videos. Well, I bought the GoPro Hero 9 kit, which came with a free bag, the handle that I'm using now and a few bits and pieces and a couple of batteries. Then I bought the battery charger. Then I bought the media mod. Then I bought the lens mod. Didn't fit in the small bag that GoPro provided. So I've been hunting high and low for other bags. Lo and behold, I've looked at different make bags on Amazon, but lo and behold, I thought I'd give this one a try, which is a Lowepro. Now, it turns out, it's just pure luck really, that all my other equipment, all my other bags are Lowepro bags, and my tripods are Manfrotto tripods. And I'm really, really pleased with this bag. So it's the Lowepro Viewpoint CS80. I've done my little bar, by the way, where I do my videos. But if you're interested in doing a little bar down your garden, look at my other videos. That's another story. Let's crack on at the moment with this. So this is the outside of the bag, double zips. Now, little straps here. No idea what these are for. You could put a little tripod in or something, but it's a bit thin. Lowepro logo, padded. Zips either side. Handle there. Handle there. Bear with me, I'll do this one-handed. That's the back of it. I like it. Right, we're not worried about the bag. It's not a hard bag, it's a soft bag. We're not worried about the ins and outs. Let's just open it up and have a look. I'll show you why I like this bag. And this is how it comes. It's no fancy fun. Right, let's ignore the bottom half for a minute. Let's stand this up first. So when you open it up, that's what you see. You get these dividers. Now you need to do it the way I've done it. These dividers are two. I think the dividers go like that, whatever they go. You do your own. Let's talk about this first of all. First things first. When you open it up, you're presented with that. What I like about it, look at this memory card pocket. Open that up, Velcro, so nothing falls out. The GoPro bag they give you is not zipped, so the bits and pieces fall out. Look at that. It's even got pockets. You don't see that. Well, I've not seen it before. It's even got pockets for two small cards, which you use in your GoPro or your Mavic Mini. So I've got those two small cards there. Obviously I've got one in the GoPro at the moment. I've got a larger memory card there. I've got an adapter there. This one has like, I can get the thing out, doing it one-handed. I've got an adapter there, which takes the small cards. Not only that, it's got a Velcro. Look at that. Alright. Zip there. You can put your cables and wires in there. Anything you don't want to lose. A bit of loose change if you want. I've got a GoPro instruction and stickers in at the moment, so I've not really used that properly. Zip that up. Velcro tab. Open this Velcro tab. I mean, look at that. That's brilliant. So you've got 3 elastic loops there. I put my USB one there, USB one there. I put my charger one there, but that's indoors at the moment, being charged up, being used. Further down, more loops. Yeah? So I've got a battery that goes in there, which is in the GoPro, because I'm using the GoPro to film this at the moment. So I've got a battery that goes in there, battery there, battery there. I'm using one of these at the moment. I've got one there, one screw there, one screw goes here. You've still got these spare loops for other bits and pieces. While I'm here, I'll show you this. This is a good little gadget. This has nothing to do with the... This has got nothing to do with the GoPro bag. But it's a little adapter which I like using. It takes a large card in the side there. It takes a smaller card in the side there, micro SD, and you tip off the lid. it's USB, so you can put your cards in, whack it straight into the PC. So I've got that tucked in there as well, so I always know where that is. Handy little gadget it is. That's the company that make it. So if nothing else, buy one of these. They are handy. Because what I do, I don't transfer my files from my GoPro, and I've also got a Mavic Mini. I don't transfer the files from the GoPro or the Mavic Mini. I just take the cards out, the micro SD cards, pop it into that, straight into the PC. So let's look further down to the case. The way I've configured mine, these have actually got little pockets as well if you need them. Pocket there, pocket there, pocket there, but you can configure these any way you want. These are Velcro. They just about works if you overlap like that. So I've got the two longer ones there. I've got my battery charger there, lens there, medium mod, I need dead cat or whatever the phone mic cover in there. Lovely, lovely and snug. GoPro goes in there. Obviously, look at this configuration. You can move this about. You could put a couple of GoPros in there. But these are the only Velcros. I've used all of them. 1, 2, 3 small ones and 2 large ones. So this pocket here just takes all my bits and pieces. Cleaning cloth, clips. And then finally, you just about fit in your tripod. Now the handle they gave you, GoPro give you with the kit, the orange one I'm using now, I don't really use a lot. These things, these Joby things, they look unattractive. I've had this for years and years and years. I bought it years ago when Joby were first on the market. They don't look brilliant. They don't look like a great tripod. This is a heavy duty one that can take a DSLR. Believe it or not, that's probably one of the most used tripods I've ever bought, excluding my real big Manfrotto tripod, which I use for my 360-degree virtual tour photography, which is my professional work with a panoramic head. Right, now when I've been along the hike out with my camera before my DSLR, and I've done what they call HDR shots, I've overlinked the light, so you take a high exposure, mid-range and a low exposure shot and overlay them. The DSLR on that can clip onto a tree branch, that can squeeze round a bench, park bench, sit on the ground, sit anywhere. I'm only using, it's only in the bag now to show you how it fits in the bag. All right. Normally I'd have that in my hand. They don't look glamorous. And when you've got the camera on the end of it, they look a bit weirder, but you can bend them about. But I can just whack that on the bar stool in my bar. I can whack that down the garden, take it down the river. Wherever I want to go on a holiday, they can just dump it in the sand. It doesn't matter. They don't look glamorous, but these are a really, really good tripod. If this bag was a little bit bigger, I might be able to fit another tripod in there. I'm not sure. Now you could probably take that out. If you want, in the comments I'll put the measurement from there to there, because you could probably take that out and put the GoPro. It's the freeway long handle one they do. I think I've been tempted to buy that. I'm not sure yet. The only thing with that free handle tripod I think they do is that it's just like a selfie stick really. You can't sort of stand it up and use it as a proper tripod. Like this can grip anywhere. I can just shove it on the back of the tree, shove it on the back of the chair or anything. It's really good. So anyway, that's my kit. I'm well happy with that. So I'm not affiliated with Lowepro at all. I'd get nothing for promoting it. It's just a good bag. And this has just worked out perfect, the way I've set that up there. So if you want another view of that, tripod, battery charger, lens, medium mod, GoPro will go in there in a minute. All my bits and bobs there. And then the screw that I'm using now will go in there. So I've got 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws. The batteries there. Still gives you loops for other things. I think I put me, as I said earlier, I put my charge lead in there. Brilliant, brilliant bit of kit. I don't normally do videos about kit, to be honest with you, but it is good. Then you just close that up. That Velcro taps onto there. That zips up, double zip. You're good to go. So that's the bag I'm using at the moment. I'm loving this, and I've only had it a few days. Cameras come with a bag. I think it's quite good. You don't normally get free bits and bobs with a camera. This is the bag I'm using at the moment. I love this bag. It keeps it all neat and tied together. I'm tempted to get another one of these for my Mavic Mini drone, because you can reconfigure that. If you look on the internet, you can configure those little bits and pieces, and you can put your drone in there easily with a controller. So I'm tempted to buy another one, and have one for the GoPro, one for my drone. Not sure yet, because I'm almost close to buying a Mavic Mini 2 with the, if I get the Fly More kit, you get a bag with that, a shoulder bag, so I'm not too sure yet. But these are such a nice little bag. Definitely recommend these things. Pick one up from Amazon, see what you think. If you don't like it, send it back, can't you? I hope you enjoyed that little review. Let me know if you get one of these, and let me know if you've already got one and what you think of them. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Ta-da.